Today's topic is use of trigonometry in programming. Example 1, chamfer of 30 degree. This is an image of a job 100, this length and this is 50, and this 30 is point is degree of 150 is the point A and is point B. In the above drawing, the tools path from the point A tools B in the required is required. The coordinates of a point A and B can be calculated by using the trigonometry. They are used under point A x0 x 20.784 y0 0. Point B is equal x 0.0 y 12.0. The work 0 is a button. Work is at a button left corner of the workpiece. This is a drawing for 150 degree. Its length is 100 by 50. Second example, work 0 is at point find coordinates of points A, B, C, D, E. The drawing is a job 60 by 100 and is 40 for 165 degrees for A, B, C, and D and E. Is coordinate point A x 0.0 y 0.0. Point B x 0.0 y is 60. B is y is 60. Point C x 40.0 y 60.0. Point D x 100.0 y 43.923. Point E x 100.0 y 0.0. This is a job. This is the point of coordinates A, B, C, D, E is a coordinate for the job. Is the 100 by 60 is the of the job size for these degrees for the point for coordinates. And third and last example is coordinates of center of holes on a PCD. This is a job for this, and this is a middle terms for the PCD is 86 mm. B and C and A is 50 degree, 10 degree. Work 0 is at A that is center of the workpiece. A is x.0, x 0.0, y 0.0. Find coordinates of B and C. Point B, x is equal 43 multiplied by cos 50 as y 43 multiplied by sin 50. Therefore, point B is x 27,639 y 32.939. Point C, x is equal to 43 point cos 10 as y is equal to 43 point sin 10. Therefore, point C is x minus 42.346 y 7.466. For this job, for coordinates for A, B and C, its coordinate for a job for PCD is third examples. And the second examples for the work 0 is at a point of find the coordinates of A, B, C, D. The find the coordinates for A and B and C and D and E. It's a coordinate for programming for VMC machine. And this is the first examples for the using trigonometry in the programming. Examples 1 is chamfer of 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees for the chamfer. For is the coordinate for A and B. Coordinate for moving A and B is moving. The work 0 is a bottom left corner of a workpiece. This is a job. This is a degree. The 150 for the 100 and the 50 is 38. Total topic is done.